Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce has been allotted over $3.3 billion for housekeeping expenses in the 2021-2022 estimates of expenditure. Another $349 million will be utilized to undertake special projects with help from bilateral partners. One of the ministry's major initiatives for the new financial year involves financing projects designed to promote the growth of the global services sector, GSS, in Jamaica. The Inter-American Development Bank, IDB, is providing the $338 million funding for this capital expenditure. It will develop a career pathway framework and facilitate the GSS 2020 and 2021 pilot apprenticeship program. It will also support the training of 6,000 new entrants by Heart NSTA in the Enhanced Job Readiness and Digital Skills curricula. Other plans include implementing the GSS information platform, branding campaigns, developing an industry skills upgrade strategy, and instituting mechanisms for measuring and improving the performance of those who provide training. With an $11 million budget, JAMPRO is conducting implementation support for skills development in this area. Governments will be facilitating continued industrial development and regulation to the tune of over $1.5 billion. The Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, has been allotted over $556 million to help with further strengthening of the MSME sector. It includes $50 million to procure equipment under the Exotic Oils Extraction Technology Project. Another $33 million will be used to upgrade technology for remote business training and technical services. Support will also be provided for the expansion of small business development centers and the Export Max 3 program. Trade promotion and development will be further strengthened with a budget of just over $1 billion.
Our manufacturing, producing sector, export sectors have been among the country's long-standing contributors to economic development. These sectors have shown significant resilience despite the challenges that the pandemic has presented. The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce is committed to providing all the support necessary to allow these sectors to continue to recover and to grow and increase the contribution to GDP.
The Ministry of Industry, Investment and Commerce, creating a gateway for business development in Jamaica.